up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about special pronouns. Earlier in the year, you guys learned about pronouns, or what I like to call regular pronouns, but today we're going to learn about a different type or another type of pronouns called special pronouns. In this purple box right here, I listed the 5 special pronouns we're going to talk about today. They are anyone, anything, everything, everyone, nothing. Now, before we jump into this, I just want to review with you really quickly to see if you remember how we use pronouns. So remember that a pronoun, when we use a pronoun in a sentence, we use it to take the place of a noun. Does anybody remember what a noun is? Right, it's a person, place, thing, or animal. So in your sentence, instead of saying that person, place, thing, or animal, you would use a pronoun to replace that. It's the same way with the special pronoun, only when you use special pronouns, you don't really talk about anything or anyone that is special. You don't really talk about anything or anyone that's specific. For example, if you say anyone, you're not talking about your mom, your dad, your grandma, your teacher. You're talking about anyone in the room or anyone in the building. So it's not anyone special. Same thing with anything. You wouldn't be talking about a special thing. You would be talking about anything. It could be the lamp, the table, the rug, the chair, the desk. With everything, you would be talking about all things, not just one thing, but all of the things. And same thing with everyone. You wouldn't be talking about just one person. You would be talking about a group of people, more than one person. And then nothing is when you're talking about no thing, right? No special thing or no thing at all. So remember, a special pronoun does not refer to a specific noun or a special person or thing. So let's go ahead and practice real quick. I'm going to read a sentence, and all I want you to do is repeat the sentence, and then I want you to try to identify the special pronoun in the sentence. I listed the special pronouns in our purple box right here, so you guys can refer back to it. Here is the sentence. Repeat after me. Does anyone know what time it is? Repeat. Perfect. I'll give you about 3 seconds to see if you can find the special pronoun in the sentence. I'm sure that everyone said anyone. So anyone is the special pronoun that's in our list, and it's also in our sentence. So good eyes, guys. Let's try another one. This time I left the word out of the sentence. So your job is to find which special pronoun would go in that blank to help this sentence make sense. So if my teacher asked me to do this, my strategy would be to take every single special pronoun, put it in the blank, and read it to myself to see if it makes sense. I'll show you. So the first special pronoun is anyone. So I'm going to put anyone in that blank, and I'm going to read it to myself to see if it makes sense. You guys have your listening ears on? Let's see. Anyone thought the joke was funny? Did that make sense? No. So the special pronoun cannot be anyone in the sentence. Why don't you guys do the next one, and we'll see if it makes sense. Right. Anything thought the joke was funny. That does not make sense. Let's try the next one for everything. You guys read it to yourself, and we'll see if it makes sense. Right. It says everything thought the joke was funny. I don't like the way that sounds. The next one is everyone. Everyone thought the joke was funny. Does that make sense? Yes, you're correct. Everyone thought the joke was funny. So we're not talking about just one person, but we're talking about everyone in the room. They thought the joke was funny. Good job. So here's what you're going to do now. You can go ahead and pause the video after I give you the directions, and then you can unpause it when you're done so that you can see if you got your answers correct. But this is what you're going to do. You're going to do the very same thing we just did. You're going to use this purple box with the special pronouns, and you're going to try to figure out which special pronoun goes in each blank to help the sentence make sense. So like the sentence says, does blank know what is in the box? Your job is to figure out which special pronoun goes in that blank to help that sentence make sense. You guys need to pause the video now so that you can do this on your own, and when you're done, you can unpause it and we'll go over the answers. Great job on pausing the video and then coming back to it when you completed your work. So let's go over the first one. Does blank know what is in the box? Remember, my strategy was to put every single special pronoun in that box to see which one made sense. So I know that it's anyone. Does anyone know what is in the box? I hope you guys got that one right. Let's move on to the next one. Blank thinks the box is filled with peanuts. Everyone thinks the box is filled with peanuts. So we're talking about everyone in that room, not just one person. The next sentence says, I do not think there is blank to eat in that box, said Nate. I do not think there is anything to eat in that box, said Nate. How'd you guys do? Did you get it right? And the last one says, the children looked in. Blank was in the box. Nothing was in the box. Did you guys get that one right too? Well, good job, guys, on learning a new skill. Keep practicing. That's the only way you get better. Adios.